There are hidden settings that completely change how AI responds, and most people never touch them. Here's what you're missing. The most important one is called temperature. Think of it like a creativity dial. Turn it all the way down to 0, and the AI gives you the same focused, predictable answer every time. Turn it up toward 1, and it gets more varied, more creative, sometimes surprising. Go higher than that, and it starts getting weird, unreliable, random. For factual stuff, you want low temperature. For brainstorming, crank it up a little. The second one is the context window. This is the AI's working memory, how much of the conversation it can actually see at once. Every AI model has a limit. Older models could only hold a few pages, where modern ones could hold hundreds. But here's the catch. Once you go past that limit, the AI literally forgets the beginning of your conversation. It's not ignoring you. It just can't see that far back anymore. 2 more worth knowing. Max tokens. How long the response could be. Hit the limit and it just stops mid-sentence. Top P. Another way to control randomness, similar to temperature, but different math. Most of the time, you'll only ever adjust temperature, but knowing these exist means you're not guessing when something feels off. Prompt engineering tells the AI what to do. These settings tell it how to think. And together, you're not just using AI, you're actually controlling it. Follow for the next video. Drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.